Starting off the trip with some Denny's breakfast. Mama.
Hi, baby.
Unless we are at Denny's right now.
No.
Unported.
，Hello, Li Ming. We have arrived at the hotel of BLVD Spa and Suites. So we're staying at the BLVD hotel. Good night. So we're going over to Universal Studios. Golden Globes. 예.
Kelama dede.
Avenue.
이거 퀴즈 세트.
Oh yeah.
Like a pretty nasty lot to me.
Perfect for Slytherin then.
Excuse me, we thought some of you might be looking for a way to escape Professor Bin's lecture. If you're not, you're mental.
Not that the subject isn't fascinating. Personally, I recommend because about
But we'll have to sneak you out of the castle and down to the pitch, and we reckon the best way of doing that was to fly you there.
all you have to do is follow me to the room of requirement, and I'll manage it from there. Of course, we'll need a bit of magic. A charm I learned from a world-class Quidditch player.
Someone's coming. Remember, the room of requirement.
See, that wasn't so bad, was it?
It's against the Dark Arts Task. As we are currently without a defense against the Dark Arts Professor, the position has proven perilous. Professor Binns are long-standing and long-deceased.
So we just went on the Harry Potter ride. Time to get some lunch. Finally, the line was so long.
Recommend it, check it out. Another stages. Glory and Super developed entire section up to the time period 1940s or so, except Seattle, Philadelphia, Chicago, Baltimore. It's even been is you couldn't believe how many lights are on one person on one camera at once. Off the cliff, and then they can pull it back up, making it a little bit easier and lighter for them. I'm going to show you what it looks like on your screens. Kind of in between, you can see the gyrosphere from Jurassic World. We got that back a couple months ago. They did use that in the newest film, Fallen Kingdom. And from Transformers, we have 2 military vehicles as well as a giant tank from that film. Now, that tank was paired with a special CGI effect. That tank does have a special effect itself. It's made of foam core and plywood. They have costumes, so instead of a makeup trailer, they used an entire building. Now you can see how tall of these sound stages are. A lot of these are built out of styrofoam. These are the ones.
Oh, that's very nice. I know, it's so good.
Nice and fake. My gosh. And he's completely fine. Yeah. Don't need to double check that. We're gonna go. Okay, radio said clear the area. Excellent set. Leave sharks. From Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. And at this point, just a reminder, we're a little less than 10 minutes from the end of the tour. University is okay, that'll happen rather quickly. Don't worry, guys, we'll get out of here. Shipboard.
A little bit, I got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
It was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting.
All right, never mind. We're gonna go with Plan B.
Don't hurt old Willie. Willie's your friend. But I'll bet none of you have.
Stand right up here. Right. All right, did you get it? All right, have a good night. See you later. Who's next? Come on.
Good evening. We're going back to Hogsmeade to take a look at the night show. Guys, walang upa yung gold, 40%.